Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you how to update apps on your iPhone. Lot of iPhone and iPad users to say how to update apps on my iPhone and iPad. Here in this video I will show you two ways you can easily update your applications in iPhone. Before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video. First one is update apps on iPhone automatically. Now this question is what to do now. First of all, open the settings app on your iPhone. In the settings app, scroll down and tap on the App Store. Under the automatically downloads, turn on the app updates toggle on your iPhone and iPad. These options to your applications automatically update on iPhone. Now the second one is update apps on iPhone manually. First of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now tap on the profile icon and picture in the top right corner on your iPhone. Now scroll down until you see list of the apps. If you see update next to an app, it means app update is available. On the flip side, if the app say open, it already has been updated applications. Tap on the update next to each app you want to update. In case you want to update all the applications on your iPhone now, please make sure tap on the update all. These two easiest way you can easily update your applications on your iPhone and iPad. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.